Hello, folks. Good afternoon. Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020, and you are with the daily option trading ideas of Techie Investor. This is Srini, co founder of Techie Investor, and I'll be your host today. Before we look at the charts, let's look at our disclaimer. Um, all the information presented in this video is only for educational purposes. However, the viewer can use this information for making their own investment decisions. This viewer is solely responsible for considering such information carefully and evaluating how it might affect his buy, hold, and sell investment decisions. So, having taken care of the disclaimer, let's look at the three picks that we are looking at for this Friday. I know it's late in the afternoon, but maybe you want to keep a watch on it so that you can trade it on Monday. Okay, so let's look at it. The first one is BB, BlackBerry. They seem to have come up with some tie-ups with Amazon, I believe. So I see the chart. I see them very bullish. We'll be looking at the charts in a few moments. Just want to see. So the target that we entered was at zero point 0.8, and we are expecting the target stock price to be 1082 and more. The second one is NIO. We are looking at the 45 calls for next week. We were waiting for an entry below 44.30. Basically, it went up and then it came back. So we want to ride it to 51 and more. And the third one is this is very, very interesting. We entered it at 170 when it is above the conversion line. We'll talk about it more in the charts. But what we are expecting is the target of 35 and more. Okay, so 35 and more. Okay, so now let's move on to the charts. How does each of these charts look? Okay, the first chart that we're going to talk about is BB. If you look at BlackBerry, if I draw the trend line, it's beautiful. It's just extending out into the top. And if you see here, it has gone to the 37.5 retracement level. And I expect this to go to 112.5. So that is what we are looking for, which is like around 1033, and it's somewhere between this one, right? 112.5 and 125. So what we are looking, so we entered it around 8, and we are around the 8 calls. So definitely there's a very good potential of this doubling, even if it goes to 915, 915, which could be the first stop, and then later if it has legs, it could further move in. Okay, so BB is definitely looks good, guys, but let's see how it goes. The second one I wanted to talk about is NIO. Um, NIO is a little bit like, we saw it ride from a low of 42.50 and it went to a high of 57.20, and then it gave up all the gains and went to a low of 38.43 and started racing the other day. So it went from 38.43 to 48. That was like a big move, guys. So we didn't enter it at that point of time, and we knew this was coming up, the retracement. So it had moved up 135 degrees from 38.43. It went to 41.43, 44.43, 47.43, and it came back to 44.43 and below. But if you see it, it didn't touch at 41.43. So what we are expecting it to go from here is to 51.53. So that is what we are looking at. So we are looking at the 52 area somewhere around here, and we expect this move to be fast. If you look at the ATR for the NEO is $5 on the daily basis. So, and if you look on the weekly for NEO, will be around 701. So if you take a low of 41 to 48, so we can at least expect a move to 48, 43. So that is what ideally we should have bought the week after, or we might be rolling it out later. Okay, so that's what. And the another reason, if you look on the weekly charts, the weekly chart is coming out strong from the conversion line. It touched the conversion line this week and it bounced back. And if you look at the Gann charts, it's looking very bullish. It is above this line and it is going up. So definitely this one has legs, folks, to go to 64 area, 65 area, basically. But when is the question? So we'll keep rolling as we see this thing. Okay. The last pick that I wanted to talk about is Very. The Very is like very. We entered it when it was like close to the this line, and we what we see is it is above the conversion line the first day. But what I am more interested is the trend lines, right? Look at the trend line, guys. It is like within the trend, and it's beautiful. And this has legs to go to 112.5 again, which is 38.60. So, but we wanted to get out before that, so at least to 35. So that is what I'm looking for in this one. So that one, let's see if how our even the weekly charts are looking very bullish. If you look at it, it's so we are definitely looking for a big move here, guys. So these are the three picks I wanted to share with you, and I wanted to share some updates about Snap. Snap, the interestingly, what I see is it has reached the trend line, the above trend line, and we sold it around this area. So we I didn't want to take the risk of being in this trade unless it breaks above this trend line. So we exited this call for like 40 cents or something, but for like at 48. So we didn't make much on this, but we exited it because we don't like this price action. The second thing what I wanted to talk about is FB. FB actually pulled out a lot, but it is in alignment. So we expect this to go back to the top of the trend line in another 2 days, which is 295 area, and 299 is the supporting Fibonacci levels. So this could be a very good move, guys. So which we can keep watching on it. Okay. So these are the some of the updates I wanted to give. And the third one which I wanted to give was the Holix. I'm sorry, I'm calling it Holix. No, it's HOLX. Um, it broke out of the flat line today. And if you look at the trend line, which we have drawn, which is not touching any other points, it's like around 79. So basically, we are expecting this move to 79. We are already on December 70 calls, and this could really catch up from here. It's a second day above the flatline guys. So this is pretty good, and this could go to the 79 area. Okay, that's all I had for you guys today. I hope you guys have a very relaxed and a very fun-filled weekend. I will catch you again on Monday.